On this video, I will teach you how to make an extra potent hair growth oil for alopecia and thinning of hair. You are to use this DIY product with caution. This growth oil that we are about to make may cause insane hair growth. This oil is perfect to be used for both hair and scalp. Use this on bald spots and problem areas. Seriously, this product that we are about to make is for insane hair growth. But with everything, we must be patient and stay consistent. This product is for thicker hair. It will cure dandruff, slow hair growth, breakage, thinning, and balding, including that of the crown section. So if you desire extreme hair growth, do not make or use this hair growth oil. You don't need to wash your hair every time you apply this oil that we are about to make. This extra potent hair growth oil is made to stop hair fall, breakage, itchiness, and prevent dandruff while promoting healthy hair growth and strengthening the hair follicles. If you experience thinning of hair, slow hair growth, excessive shedding, breakage, and stunted growth, then get these ingredients and make this oil and run fast with it. Hair fall issues are quite common and can affect your confidence levels too. In Ayurveda, there are several remedies and treatments to solve hair fall issues, and this is one of them. Welcome to the channel. Please click on the like button before you leave. To begin, grab a jar like so. Make sure all apparatus to be used are well sterilized. For my first ingredient, we are going to be using cloves buds for today's recipe. Those of you asking where I usually get my ingredients, I've made a video on this channel sharing where I shop my ingredients. I also shared the guy's contact on the screen. Please search for market vlog on this channel, and then you will definitely see the two-part series videos that I shared last year. I think last 2 years, that was 2022. So cloves boost hair growth by increasing blood circulation and enriching the scalp with oxygen. In addition to vitamins A, C, and K, they also contain iron, manganese, and potassium. This not only adds strength to your hair, but also prevents it from falling out. For the proportion, I'm just going to be using 1 tablespoon to measure out the cloves buds into my jar. Please, if you don't have cloves buds, feel free to use the powder. Please always check my screens whenever you're watching my videos. You definitely see the name of each Ayurveda that I'm using boldly spelled out on the screen. For the second ingredient, I'm going to be using Moringa powder. Again, for those of you in diaspora like US, UK, Canada, and any other country that is not Nigeria, if you want to shop some of the herbs that I use on this channel, feel free to hop on Amazon, type on the search bar whichever ingredient you're looking for. For the proportion, I'm going to be measuring out 1 tablespoon of that into my jar. One of the most important Moringa benefits for hair is that it boosts hair growth. Moringa contains vitamins A, B, and omega-3 fatty acids. All these ingredients nourish the hair and promote growth. Vitamin A plays a crucial role in the development of healthy cells and tissues in the body. Moving on to my third ingredient, I've got rosemary leaves. Rosemary has been used by many to promote hair growth successfully. Using rosemary essential oil could very well do the same for you. Science and personal experience together both strongly suggest the essential oil does protect against hair loss, particularly that related to male and female pattern baldness. For the proportion, I measured out 1 tablespoon of the dry rosemary leaves into that. Moving on to our next ingredient, we are going to be using this measuring cup. In 250 ml worth, I'm going to be measuring out grapeseed oil into that. This is one of the best carrier oils there is out there. So if you're not using olive oil or coconut oil or hemp seed oil, you should be using grapeseed oil. Whichever carrier oil you have is perfect, but if you have grapeseed oil, feel free to use it because it is one of the lightest oils there is out there. So I measured out 250 ml worth of the oil and poured into my jar containing 3 other ingredients. Next, I used my wooden spatula to stir that up just to combine all the ingredients. Moving on, light up your stove using double boiler method, DIY double boiler method. I just poured some water in my pot and then brought that to a boil and then transferred my jar containing my ingredients in the water bath. So I left that in the water bath for 15 to 20 minutes. Once it's 15 to 20 minutes mark, this is ready. You can allow this in the water bath until it cools down completely, or you can just use something to protect your hands and then bring it out. Allow it to cool down completely before you strain. Using a strainer like so and a beaker, I'm going to be straining this. Another thing you can use to strain this is your cheesecloth. If you don't have cheesecloth, you can use your strainer. Whichever you have, just go ahead and strain this. Next, transfer to your applicator bottle. After transferring to your applicator bottle, you can add essential oils of your choice if you like. But if you don't like, you can use the oil like that. It's already potent. Looking at this oil, you already know that it's very potent. Looking at the color and everything, you already know that it's potent. Including the ingredients, you should know that this oil will deliver. So if you have anywhere on your head that is bald, go ahead and apply this oil on those areas. Why this oil will not work for you is when you don't massage the problem areas. Wherever you're balding, apply this oil sparingly on that site and then use the pop of your fingers and massage. If you don't want to use the pop of your fingers, feel free to use your scalp massager. The proper way to use your scalp massager, the proper way to use the pop of your fingers is by placing it firmly on those areas and then move in a circular motion. Make sure the skin around that area is moving. If the skin around that area is moving, just know that you're doing it properly. This oil can be used on your scalp and your hair shaft, but the best way to use this oil is on your scalp. Use it on your scalp daily and then massage your scalp. Within a month, you will be amazed as the result. If you're in protective style, if you're wearing any protective style, please concentrate this oil for me on your scalp. If you have any bald patches, concentrate this oil on those areas and then make sure to massage. The key is scalp massaging. If you're able to massage with this oil for a month, sis, you will come running to this channel. You must gift me something because this works. If you're experiencing postpartum hair loss, whichever hair issue you have, please concentrate this oil on your scalp and make sure to massage. That's the key. So for this oil, for the shelf life, this oil can last for 6 months provided you made it without moisture penetrating in this oil. Kids from 2 years downwards cannot use this oil. Kids from 2 years upwards can use this oil. For more questions, ask away in the comment section. I'll be there to reply. That brings me to the end of today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Remember to like. If you haven't subscribed, do so, and I will see you shortly.